Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You join me tonight at a very special event. I've been invited out to Eshott Airfield here in Northumberland, just north of Morpeth, where tonight they're going to have a outdoor screening of Top Gun, the original Top Gun from the 80s, not Top Gun Mavic. And they're going to have a vintage pizza truck, apparently, maybe doing wood-fired pizzas, I don't know, but we will try one. They'll be doing burgers, and they've got a fully licensed bar, as well as pre-recorded and some live music. So here we are, Eshott Airfield. Now, Eshott Airfield, the last time I came here was 22 years ago in 2001. Now, here's a little interesting story for you. On that faithful visit, I did an air experience flight in a Jabiru SLA. The pilot crashed, flipped us upside down, and I fractured my back, caused a scar to my head here and on my knee. So yeah, it's a little bit strange me coming back to Eshott after that. But yeah, we're camping up tonight as well. Hence we are in Le Camper Bus. So this is a full night event. The music finishes at 11, I think, or the film finishes and then there's a little bit of music and then the event finishes at 11 p.m. anywho, and then we get to camp out overnight. So yeah, let's go have a look around, see what's here. It's very, very windy, so there's no flying, unfortunately. But yeah, we'll be sitting down and watching Top Gun. Talk to me, Goose.
It feels like it since it's been cleared. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun. You all this tainted love you've given, I give you all the bulk I need. Just take my cheese and that's not nearly all. Thank you very, very much, ladies and gentlemen. Cheers. Mentioned by a lady called Gloria Jones, that one, before the lads from Soft Cell got a hold of it.
So far, everything seems to be going fine, and I haven't broke my back again. Yay! So we're in the teepee, and they've moved the screen inside of one of the hangars, so we're not going outside because of the wind. As you can see, the teepee is blowing wild.
Situations running through my head, looking back to time in which kid I've been blind, I've been a fool to open up my heart to all that just war pirates just stay by, so I can watch you shed. Watching the ships over here, and I'm watching them again. Oh, just sitting on the dock of the midnight, leaning on love. I'm all back that I am. No one, no cry. To no woman, no cry. You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips.
Well, that singer, as you heard, was absolutely fantastic. The sun's going down now and we're going to head into the hangar. I've got my chair with me, my folding chair, and we're going to go and watch Top Gun, the original Top Gun. So yeah, unfortunately I won't be able to film that, copyright and all that malarkey, but I will let you know how it goes before heading back to Le Camper Bus. So as you can see, we're in the hangar, ready to watch Top Gun. Well, there you have it. Sorry about the strange light. I've got the LEDs on in Le Camper Bus. That was Top Gun in a hangar on an airfield after being in a teepee, listening to live music and drinking cider and having wood-fired pizzas. What a night. So anywho, I'm going to get my head down now and I shall see you lot in the morning. Morning. Well, I slept okay, tossed and turned a little bit because it was very windy last night, and to be honest, it was quite cold. I nearly switched the diesel heater on, but I didn't want to get out of bed. So yeah, but I've woken up actually on a helipad. Yep, that's an H. Sorry about the bars and the tinted windows, but yeah, actually on a helipad. And that is a runway. And now, of course, being first thing in the morning, time to go in the Thunderbox. To be fair, they're probably one of the cleanest Thunderboxes I've ever went in. Luckily it was only number one. But yeah, how strange. Runway just there. It has just took me way too long to try and figure out this toast rack. And it's still not right. Well, that is another first. That is the first meal I have cooked and eaten in Le Camper Bus. It's also the first night I've been away without somebody with me. The first night I stayed with Shagpile. He was in the van next to me. And the other couple of times I've been with Emma. So yeah. Yay! So all in all, last night was a fantastic night. Good screening of Top Gun in a fantastic setting. The teepee that they have here, which is available for hire for weddings and things like that, is absolutely top-notch. It's brand new. The music artist I had was brilliant. The food was brilliant. I cannot fault the experience I had last night here at Eshott Airfield, and I recommend anybody to come do it. So on that note, I'd like to thank Eshott for having me out, and I'll see you at Top Gun Maverick at the end of the month, because I will be coming back to do this again when they show that film. So all in all, fantastic night. I'll see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.